In this video, I'll show you how to remove Passkey on Roblox. So this video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure what I'm going to show you in this video. So open up your Roblox, click on the more, click on the settings, click on account info. So wait for it to load up. So what you need to do now, you're going to be able to see login method, so click on the manage. So I think this is one way that can help you to remove your Passkey on Roblox. So click on this delete. But I think there is a way that would completely help you to delete or remove your Passkey on Roblox. So what you need to do, go to your settings, come onto this search, type in password. So this is going to come out. I'm going to click on this first one. So scroll down, we're going to be able to see open passwords. So you're going to be able to enter this required details unit. So I'm going to enter mine now. So once I've entered mine, this is what is going to come out. You're going to be able to see all this you need. So you're going to be able to see Passkey. So click on it. So this is Roblox. I'm going to click on it. So you're going to be able to see edit. Click on edit. Now once you click on the delete, you're going to be able to permanently delete or remove your Passkey here on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, let me know below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all. I'll see you all in the next video.